bride refuses to kiss groom at altar and the wedding turns ugly. It was not a good day for one bride and her groom on their wedding day. Naturally, couples are supposed to kiss after being announced as husband and wife, right? Well, this did not happen for one couple. In the video, one can see how the groom holds his bride's waist, gazes into her eyes, and is ready to give her that very important kiss. However, her cold stare clearly shows that she is not on the same wavelength. Refusing to take her look as a sign, the groom pushes forward for the kiss and his wife immediately turns her cheek. Everyone in the church bursts out laughing, a mixture of embarrassment for the groom and hilarity of the moment. Yikes! So much for their wedding day being the happiest day of their lives?